Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing. Now, I upgraded to the premium this month. This shit is bigger than I am. But, let's go ahead and get into it. The theme for this month is called the Oasis. I think it's so cute. Okay, so the first thing in the box is this Avocado Retinol Sleeping Mask, and it's by Glow Recipe. Now, I already tried this out the other night just so I could give you my thoughts here on camera about it. Oh my gosh. First of all, this packaging, look how cute this is. It feels very high-end. It's all glass. So, it's just so cute. And they give you a lot of product. Like, this is 2.37 fluid ounces. So it's a lot, and you don't need very much of it. What you do is you just take a dime size little bit on your finger and you rub it into your face. You leave it on overnight. If all of their products are as good as this, I'm about to blow everything I own, like all my money, on Glow Recipe, because holy crap. Next in the box is this bad boy, and it's by Grace and Stella. It's a face mask, and it's supposed to be anti-wrinkle and energizing for your face. So I'm going to try this out on camera today for you. It says, on clean skin, carefully apply face mask to face. I mean, I don't know where else you would apply a face mask, but okay. Thanks for clearing that up. Wear for 15 minutes and then take it off and massage the remaining product into your face. No need to rinse. So here we go. There's a lot in here. Oh my gosh. This is what it looks like. This seems really big, but we're gonna try it. Okay, so I have it on. First of all, I like terrifying. So I'm sorry for the nightmares you're about to have tonight. Also, my first thought is I have Velveeta cheese on my face. Like, it looks like a slice of Velveeta cheese that's literally on my face. But I'm gonna leave this on for 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and give you my thoughts. It's like sliding. I don't even like this. This is sliding off my face, but I'll be right back. So I'm back. After I did that mask, I went ahead and did the rest of my face makeup except the eyes, because we'll get to that in a minute. But this mask, I have to be honest, it sucked. I hated it. Never want to use it again. Probably gonna throw it out after this video. So first things first, the eye holes were way too small. So I had to keep my eyes closed the entire time. It kept sliding, literally sliding off of my face. So every couple of seconds, I would have to like adjust it again. Annoying. The liquid all stayed inside the packaging, so like it really didn't benefit my skin at all. And to be honest, I didn't even wear it the full 15 or 20 minutes. I took it off after like 10 minutes and then proceeded with the rest of my face makeup. So yeah, never using that again. But let's get into the next product in the box, which is this Living Proof Heat Protectant, which I'm so excited about. I love Living Proof products. I've tried their conditioner and the shampoo that they have, and they both worked really well on my hair. So I'm super excited to try this out. Obviously, I'm not trying it out today on camera because I'm not styling my hair. But the next time I do, can't wait to see how this works. Next thing in the box is this duo brush set. It's the $1 Billion Brows Brush Sculpting Set. Here's the thing with double-ended brushes. I steer clear of them only because cleanliness wise, it's not very efficient, because once you put it in your like brush holder thing, one end is always going to be touching a surface and getting dirty. So I don't like them for that fact. They are great if you are traveling though, and or if you want to be saving some money, because you literally get 2 brushes in one. So that's a plus, but I am going to be setting this aside and putting this in a giveaway. Okay, and then the next thing in the box is by Tarte. It's their Pro Remix palette. Looks like this. Honestly, this is the only Tarte palette that I have now. I usually don't go for Tarte eyeshadow palettes because they're just like nothing special to me, and I've tested out a couple of them and they just don't impress me, to be honest. But let's take a look and see what this looks like inside. Okay, well, right off the bat, one of them is shattered, so I can't hold it up too high for you, but this is what it looks like. This one down here is shattered, and I don't want to get it like all over my bed. First impression, there's mainly shimmer shades in this, which I guess is fine. I'm the type of person that I want a variety, because I like to have more than one transition shade or crease shade, and literally in here they only have 2 matte shades, which is here and here. I'm gonna do a quick look for you on camera right now. It's honestly not gonna be anything fancy because I don't plan on keeping this palette. The first shade that I'm gonna use, basically the only crease shade, is this one right here. Gonna just smoke that out into the crease area. Just like that. It's not very pigmented, to be honest, but whatever. And I'm gonna take this shade right here and just put that all over the lid. I'm dragging it up into the crease to blend it in with the other shade that we put down. Alright, well, that's basically it for the eyes, because honestly I'm not impressed with that palette at all. Pigmentation kind of sucked, and the color selection, I just am not into it, so I'm gonna probably I'll probably give that palette away to someone. And then the last thing in the box this month is by Nars. It's their matte lip pigment. Mine is in the shade Call Me. I love this packaging, the matte. It just looks so sleek and pretty. I love it. Before trying that on, I'm gonna line my lips real quick using this. It is by Bodyography in the shade Heather Berry. And now taking the Nars matte pigment and just putting that right over top. Okay, right off the bat, it's way brighter than I expected. It goes on really smooth though. Honestly, I really like this. I love how it looks on my lips. Even though it was brighter than I expected, it's not that bright and it looks very pretty. It applied really well. There was no like streaking, and I know it's a matte, but it's not one of those mattes that are like overly drying to where it creases and flakes off your lips, so that's really good. Yeah, I really like this. It's one of my favorite products that I got in this box for sure. I forgot to tell you prices again, so let me go ahead and do that real quick. The avocado mask, which is probably my favorite in this box this month, retails for $49, which worth every penny, let me tell you. Okay, and then this Tarte palette that I use also retails for $49, but honestly, I would never pay that price for this piece of shit. The Nars lipstick I use retails for $26. This also retails for $25. Again, not worth your money. The double-ended brush retails for $30. And then this Living Proof Heat Protectant, this retails for $28. That completes the video for today. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know down below what you got in your month's box. Also, did you upgrade to the premium? Do you like it better than the original? Let me know down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.